All right, so we're here to do a repair test on Mr. Meeks' house. This is the shingle that we're going to be replacing. I've got it marked there so you can see clearly. We're going to be using roof snake and precision nail pull, hammer, and regular roofing nails to get this done today. First things first, we're going to unseal the two tabs above it to see where. Okay, so it's a far right shingle. All right. Okay. Before we get started, go ahead and get an overview for me. So you can see the condition of them before we get started and condition afterwards. All right. Let's start on this one right here. Notice I'm not trying to lift too far on it. Okay, get that nail out. Give it a couple taps. And as you can see, after gravity let go of what it was holding on to, you can see the material cracking along the top of the shingle there. Next. Carefully remove nail. Quick tap. Like I said, just to let gravity let go of whatever it's holding on to. And as you can see, you got material cracking all the way along the top of these shingles here. Seems to be a common theme. Here's our next one. Try not to lift too far on these shingles. And as you can see with each hammer blow, these shingles are just letting go of more and more granules. And you can just, you practically see that the material cracking, these shingles are no longer serving the purpose for which they were designed. Nice and easy. Gentle. Another tap. Go ahead, get a close-up of that one. Before we move to our next one, again, there's just seems to be this common theme here on this roof as we're working through it. All right. Clean my tool off real quick. Got two on this one. Two. Couple taps. Let gravity let go of what it's holding on to. And again, common theme here on this roof. You can see the material cracking, letting go of the granules. We really don't like to see that. Okay, again, couple taps, close up, and again, you can see where we got the material cracking, letting go of the granules. We're talking about another close-up of this one before we get started. We're talking about a few hammer blows. As you can see, I'm being gentle with these shingles. I'm not cranking high on them. simply removing these nails and light tap just to show the brittleness of these shingles and the damage that we're causing with a simple repair and simple motions. Slide that in there, make sure it fits. Okay. Nope. Thank you. Thank you. Good thing it's not a steep pitch.
All right.
I don't know why I took this one out, but we'll be replacing the nails everywhere we took them out. We'll put new ones in. And as you can see on camera, I'm sure, every hammer blow, we just got more and more granules raining down from these shingles. Again, notice I'm trying to be as careful as I can. I'm just lifting it just high enough to get my roof snake under there, get the nail in, move on to the next one. No more, no less. Okay, that was me not being careful. Okay, one more nail before we wrap this up. So, as you can see from the results, we had one damaged shingle, and in the process of repairing it, we have replaced it with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 damaged ones. Meaning that realistically we're gonna have to keep coming back down, coming back up with a new shingle, replacing it, and that's just gonna carry on. You know, and for that reason, this repair test has failed. These shingles are damaged, brittle. After a proper repair test procedure, we ask that we cannot put our name on a repair like this. We ask that insurance is not either. Thank you.